like I said, y'all did not check out my last video, make sure y'all go check it out. We went ahead and wrapped the rear deck, so now the only thing I gotta do is put my Skar speaker in. I got 4 of these speakers and they are 2 packs, you know what I'm saying. Where is it? It say 1 pair, so here go the other one right here. So like I said, I need to use them, so I'm putting them in here. And here go the speakers. I hope they're not too small. Okay, no, they're not. Yeah, man, like I said, it looks 1,000 times better with the guard cover over the speakers. And like I said, once the other ones come in, then I'm gonna finish this up. I'm not gonna wire these up because I still gotta pull them back out to put them 6x9s in. But
bingo, I got action.
what's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. If y'all didn't check out my last video, we went ahead and wrapped my rear deck. So I was gonna make another little overlay with some really thin wood, but I just told myself don't even do it, you know what I'm saying. Just go ahead and wrap this board, because my speakers are bad anyways, so I need a new speaker. So y'all know I had bought these Skar 5.25s for my Cutlass, but y'all kept convincing me to go ahead and get some DS18s. So now I got 4 of these 5.25s and didn't have no use for them. I just felt like it was gonna be a waste of money. So y'all can't convince me now to not use these Skars, to use something different, because I need to use them, you know what I'm saying. If not, I just threw away $100 for no reason, you know. So I'm gonna be using 2 of them today, and we're gonna be putting them in my rear deck for my box Chevy, you know what I'm saying. So I've already ordered 2 Skar 6x9s, so the whole rear deck will be the same, and I'm gonna be using the speaker covers as, you know what I'm saying, to cover up the speaker, so it'll be like sort of like some type of design, you feel me, like a mesh design in the rear deck. So we're gonna be using the speaker covers to cover up the speakers. But my 6x9s have not came in the mail yet, and it said about 2 more days. So whenever they come in, I'm gonna make another video and we're gonna put them in the rear deck. That way we'll have all 4 of my speakers in my rear deck. Now, like I said, if y'all did not check out my last video, make sure y'all go check it out. We went ahead and wrapped the rear deck, so now the only thing I gotta do is put my Skar speaker in right there. So yeah, I hope y'all ready for this. I'm excited. I'm ready to see how it's gonna look with that speaker cover on it, you know what I'm saying. So like I said, we're not gonna be able to put the other 2 6x9s in because they haven't came in the mail, and once they come in, then the whole rear deck will be Skar, you know. And I know y'all gonna say it's better speakers to get, but I've already paid for these, you know what I'm saying, and they already here, and it's past the 30-day mark, so I can't send them back. So we're going to go ahead and use them in the box Chevy, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, it is what it is, and I think it's gonna look good. I like Skar anyways. I'm a Skar, y'all know I love Skar audio, Skar speakers and all that stuff. So yeah, man, it'll be all right, you feel me. We're gonna go ahead and use them in the box Chevy so I can get some use out of them, you know what I'm saying, because if not, I just bought them and they just gonna be sitting and for no reason. So I'm gonna use them, like I said, and we're gonna put them in the box Chevy, and we're gonna do that in this video. And then when the 6x9s come, we're gonna put them in. The whole rear deck will be the same speaker. My rear deck, well, before it was Sony's and some duals, and I didn't like the mismatch, so that's why I was trying to cover them up. But now I don't have to, because I have all one brand and they got the mesh on top. So like I said, it's gonna look really good. Y'all just gotta stay tuned and watch it. So yeah, we're finna go ahead and get these installed, and yeah, we're gonna call it a day for the rear deck until the 6x9s come in. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I will catch y'all in 1 second once I unbox these Skars. All right, y'all, so like I told y'all, I got 4 of these speakers and they are 2 packs, you know what I'm saying. Where is it? It say 1 pair, so here go the other one right here. So like I said, I need to use them, so I'm putting them in here. And the other 2, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. So for now, they're just gonna sit in the box until I figure out something else to do with them. I might see if my pops need a set to put in one of his cars, maybe his box Chevy or maybe his square body Suburban. I don't know. I'm gonna ask him though. If he need them, then I'm gonna give them to him. If not, then I'm gonna just hold on to them until I give me like another project car and throw them in another car. But yeah, we're gonna be using these. Like I said, need to unbox them, but I also need to pull these back here because instead of just drilling a screw straight in, I'm gonna drill a hole first and then put the screws in and then go like that, you know what I'm saying? So got both of the rear decks. Yeah, they two different pieces because it's easier to put in when they two different pieces like that. That one piece, when I tried to build it at first, it kept bending and stuff. So yeah, man, it just wasn't working out right. Let's sit y'all here and let's go ahead and pull this one out. So this is what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? This the box, 5.25. So, like I told y'all, man, I need to use them. I'm not finna just let them sit because I done already paid for them. And I wanted to rebuild my box Chevy's rear deck, so this was literally the perfect timing. Perfect timing, bro. Perfect timing. And here go the speakers. I hope they're not too small. Okay, no, they're not. Oof, that's gonna look hard. That's gonna look hard, bro. And y'all just imagine the 6x9, they come with the same cover just like this right here. So yeah, it's not too small, it's literally perfect and it looks good. And if I want to, I can take this cover off and then rock out with it like that. But I want to put the cover on, not even just for the protection of the speaker, but to also give it some style to the rear deck, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, imagine the 6x9 the same with this same cover, a little longer, and both rear decks gonna be like that. So like I said, I need to go ahead and drill this in and then screw it down. And then same with this, the way you put this on, you got to push the mesh out. See, it comes right out, and then you put the screws. If I can get it off. Trying to do this one-handed is not easy, y'all. But yeah, you put the screws in like that, and then you put the mesh back on, you feel me, after you screw everything down. So even with it like this, it looked really good. But like I said, we're gonna use the mesh because, you know what I'm saying, it's just gonna look good. So like I told y'all, I need to use these speakers, so we're gonna be putting them in here. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. I hope y'all like it. You feel me? We got to get this done, cause I mean, it ain't like I'm driving my box Chevy right now anyways. I still got my battery unhooked, so we can't really test the sound of the speakers, but it'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and put them on the board. So let me drill these out, both of them, and then when I get ready to screw them down, I'm gonna come back to y'all. But yeah, after I go ahead and drill the holes and stuff for this, so y'all just stay tuned. So we got the speakers in now. The last thing I have to do is put this last mesh on this one and push it in. Hold on 1 second. And push this one in, then half of the boards are done, just waiting on them 6x9s. I can get this out of there. There it go. There it go. Just like that. Both boards are now done with the 5.25s. All I gotta do is sit them in there and wire them up, but I'm not gonna wire them up right now until, like I said, the other speakers come in. So I am gonna go ahead and sit these in the back of the car though. Ooh, bless me, thank y'all. I gotta take these out too. I keep forgetting, but as y'all see, all I do is squeeze it up in there, which isn't hard at all, you know what I'm saying? Bless me, thank y'all. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'm probably gonna get my hammer and knock some of that metal back some, go backwards with it some, like towards the front of the car. That way the speakers will slide in much easier, you feel me, and it won't push on my speakers. Yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna hammer it just a little bit to bend it forward. As y'all see, I bent this side down just a little bit more. I did not cut out none of this when I bought the car. All of this was missing, so I had to literally make my own boards from scratch to put back here so I can have something to cover up this big hole, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, wasn't nothing back here. That's why when I was trying to wire up my third brake light, the third brake light wires were missing. The blue wire that's supposed to go to it, it was missing. So like in my Cutlass, it has the wire still there, but in this car, everything was already cut out. So I don't know what that previous owner had done or what he was planning on doing, but yeah, all of this was cut out. I did not do this. I wouldn't have done this. I would have kept just the 1 6x9. I would have been fine with that, and then have my real third brake light here instead of having to put this one. But yeah, everything was missing. This was all cut out. I didn't touch none of this metal or nothing besides just bending this down just now. So yeah, like I said, I'm finna grab my hammer. I'm gonna push this up a little bit. That way the speakers will slide in much easier, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, this the board though. As y'all see, the board is looking good with the 5.25. It fits perfectly, and it got the mesh on top, and that's why I was saying to y'all, that's how it's gonna look with the mesh on both of them, or the speaker covers. So yeah, it's gonna look really good. So let me grab my hammer, beat this down some. Pause. Let me grab the hammer and move some of this metal some and then I'm gonna try and then see if they gonna squeeze in better. So yeah, give me a second and I'm gonna do that, and I'll come back to y'all as soon as I finish it. So yeah, I just finished it. Not gonna lie, I cannot wait to get them 6x9s in there. This looks so hard, bro. I'm telling you, now that it's wrapped, you feel me, it ain't just plain wood, you feel me. And yeah, all I had to do is bend that metal brace for the seat. Had to bend it just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But everything's working out, and it's looking really good. It's nice and tight fits. I can slide either one down either way if I need to, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, like I said, it looks 1,000 times better with the guard cover over the speakers. And like I said, once the other ones come in, then I'm gonna finish this up. I'm not gonna wire these up because I still gotta pull them back out to put them 6x9s in. But yeah, man, this is it. The only thing I don't like is that line in the middle, but it's all right, you know what I'm saying? It'll be okay. It looks good. And if I ever want to throw like something here or to throw something here, same on that side. I got a little room down there. Like if I want to a small tweeter, maybe put them down there, and then yeah, just leave the middle how it is, because 6x9 is gonna be pretty close to the middle edge. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said, it came out perfect, bro. Couldn't ask for nothing better, you feel me? I love it. And once I get all 4 of the speakers in here, it's gonna look even better. But for now, like I say, I'm not gonna let y'all talk me out of it. I know y'all gonna probably tell me get some different speakers or something's better, but like I said, I've paid for these speakers, so I need to use them, and I need to go ahead and get these out of here because these are not being used for my box Chevy no more. So yeah, everything's coming out perfectly. Maybe I use the other 2 and put them in my dash. Maybe I do that, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll do that, and that way the whole inside of this car be Skar, and in the trunk. So I know I'm trying to do 2 15 Skars, but I haven't really been wanting to spend too much money on this car because my main focus has been that Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the subwoofer is going to have to wait because I already got some in here. So yeah, they're going to have to wait. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the Skar, the little setup with the guard on it, with the mesh inside. It got Skar on it, and then the board being wrapped vinyl blue. I'm loving it, bro. I'm telling you, I'm loving it. This car is coming out perfect, bro. It's coming out the way I want it to come out, you feel me? And it's looking really good. I can't wait to start driving it again, but before I do that, I gotta finish this door, because y'all see I got tape on the window because the window regulator is out. So yeah, I can't drive this car right now until I finish that. That's one project I really gotta finish. And I'm gonna try to finish it today. But so far, this is what we looking like in the box Chevy on the rear deck. My 6x9s, like I told you, I said 2 more days, so hopefully it'll be in within them 2 days, and I can come back here and install them, you know what I'm saying? And maybe I'll do like a little sound clip. If I finish this, I can put my battery back on, then you know what I'm saying, I won't have to worry about my battery dying, and we can play the speakers. But like I said, for now I haven't hooked them back up. Ain't no wire ran to them. The wire's already back here. I haven't plugged them in, I should say, because I got to take this board back out to screw in the 6x9s whenever they come in. So y'all let me know what y'all think though. Like I said, I'm loving the way it's looking, the board with the speakers and this mesh, and the speakers are covered. And if I ever want to take this off, I can and show the actual speakers. But yeah, man, for now I want to leave this on because it makes it look even better, and it gives it like a little more, you know what I'm saying, poke up a little more, like 3D type looking, like if this was like a video game or type stuff, you know what I'm saying, and give this a 3D look with the board and then the speakers popping up. It just looks good, bro. I'm telling you, it looks good. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. But it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this little fun little project we had going on for today with the box Chevy, fixing the rear deck, wrapping it, and putting them 2 speakers in. And once the other 2 come in, like I said, then we're gonna throw them other 2 in, then the rear deck will be done for this car. But I gotta record a couple videos on my Cutlass, and I need to try and finish this window regulator today. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for everything that's going on. But make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.